Hello everyone, I hope that you are having a great day. In this video at Learn Tech, I will show you how to use the new feature tab groups in Google Chrome. You may have many tabs open on the browser, and this new feature of Google Chrome gives you the possibility to organize them. Before we start, make sure that you have the latest update of Google Chrome installed. So let's start. I have opened here Google Chrome and I have around 6 or 7 tabs, and I want to use this new feature of Google Chrome. So I go here at this tab and I click with the right of the mouse, and it will show this new feature here, which is add tab to new group. I click on that and it will give me the possibility to enter a name of the group. So let's say I'll name this group Microsoft, and I can select, let's say, one of the colors that I want to use it to identify this group. I'll use the red one, and then I will close it. I will click somewhere else. And if I want to add on this group the other tabs, I have to open first this group and I just drag and drop them inside. And if you see, it will change the color to red. Let's say I want to put this also there, and I drag it and drop it here. The other option how to add a tab in a new group is by clicking, let's say I want to add this one, by clicking with the right of the mouse, and I click on add tab to group, and I choose Microsoft in this case, and it will be added to that group. If I want to close the group, I just click on that and it will close. And if I want to unclose it, I click on it like this. And if we want to create another group, we follow the same steps like we did when we created the first group. I click on the tab and then I click add tab to the group, and I click create new group and I name it, let's say YouTube in this case. I choose another color, let's say the purple, and then it will be created a new group. And I add the other tabs by clicking with the right of the mouse, add tab to group, and I have 2 groups now where I can add, and I want to add this tab to the group YouTube. So now I have 2 groups, one is called YouTube and the other one is called Microsoft. So if I want to remove a tab from the group, I go at the tab and I click with the right of the mouse and I choose the option remove from the group, and it will go out of both of the groups. If I want to close the group, I go at the group name and I click with the right of the mouse and I choose the option ungroup or close group. I will choose in this case ungroup, and it will ungroup all these tabs. This feature is really good feature because it allows you to organize your tabs and it will look much better and much easy to work with Google Chrome. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Wish you all the best.